Hi friends, welcome back to Prashant's Knowledge Center. Here in this video, we will learn about the topic strings. First of all, let us know what is a string. String can be taken as a one-dimensional array of characters terminated by a null character. Each character in the array holds one byte of memory and the last character must be always a null. Here, we must use the character type of data type and create an array of characters to make a string in C programming. We have to use double quotes whenever we are writing a string. For getting output in strings, we can use printf function together with the format specifier %s. If we use %s format specifier, then it will think as that we are using with strings. We are working with strings. Here, if we use %c format specifier, then a single character from that one dimensional array, I mean the string, can be printed. For that, we have to give the address of that string. I mean from which location we have to print the character. Here, declaration of a string. We can declare a string in many number of ways. Here, for example, I will explain you one with one example. Here, char character s of 5 means with a memory of 5 bytes, I have taken a string which contains ABCD as a data in that string. Here, s of 0. This 0 address location stores alphabet A and 1 address location stores alphabet B and 2 address location stores alphabet C and the third address location stores D and fourth location will be with a null character. So here we can declare the string as said in the first way also s of we no need to give the memory location, no need to declare the memory here itself, or even if we declare the memory also it will come, or we can write if we are writing complete string we will use double quotes as discussed earlier, and if we are writing character wise then we can declare with single quotes each alphabet and last finally a null character, and we can declare the memory size here itself and can write the what data in the string like this. If we go and write a program, then we can easily identify. This is an example program. I'll show you by writing in a C programming software and compile the program and I'll show you. Here accepting string as an input using scanf function means for taking the string input to the program we can use the scanf function. But when we are using the scanf function, whenever it encounters a space or tab or the next line, it will not take the data after that space. To make this code working, to take the data after the space also, we'll do a small modification for that small scanf function. Here, this is actually what we write if we use scanf function. Scanf %s. Yes, here ampersand symbol is not required to use whenever we are writing with we dealing with strings. And as discussed earlier, if it encounters a space or tab, it will not take the data after that space. So we will write like this. Within square brackets, we will write like this, and we will write a name of the string. So it tells the compiler that it has encountered a new line and to read the data after that line also. Here, I'll show you with an example. Here I'll write an example program and I'll demonstrate you about the strings. As we discussed that we have to use the character data type, I have used character type of data type, and here I have I have taken a variable name with name s, and I have taken the memory as 26 characters, I'll write clear screen to clear any previous data output is there on the screen. And then I will take scanf. Whatever I want to write, I can write here. Here initially I have taken percentile %s and s is the string name. So it will read the data. And now I'll print the same data whatever I have given. So here what happens we'll see. Here I have taken only percentile %s. So what we discussed earlier, if we encounter space, it will not show here. Now I'll check for errors. Alt F9, no errors. So I'll run the program. Control F9. Here I'll write the string what I want. I'll write Prashant Knowledge Center. Enter. See here we have encountered a space after Prashant. So it is taking up to the space only. If we put a square bracket as discussed earlier and a power symbol and then slash n means it tells the compiler that it has encountered a new line. Now I'll run the program and I'll see. See, it has taken complete line. In this way, we can write a program by using strings. This is an example program. And in the next classes, we will learn in detail about the topics that is covering in strings. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe Prashant's Knowledge Center. Thank you.